I'm gonna swap out the seat. I'm gonna take off this stock seat, which I really hate, and put on a Saddleman seat, which hopefully will be better. One of the things I don't like about this seat is the space between the cover and the pad or the foam. It's kind of irritating and it looks goofy. So you need two tools to do this. You need a T25 Torx driver. Now, as you can clearly see, that is a T40, not a T25. And you need a 6mm Allen. You got to take off the grab handles to get to the bolt that holds the seats in, bolts that hold the seat in. Then you can take the seat off, and then I'll show you how it goes from there. The T40 will fit, but it's not snug, so don't use it. Use a 6mm Allen. The bolt itself has a little smooth nose on it before the threads start. That's to help you get it engaged with the captive nut inside the seat. Comes with some shiny stickers to put on your toolbox. One thing that you will see on the stock seat that you won't see on the aftermarket one is hooks here instead of these little rubber feet. The hooks go into two fittings, and then these slide onto two fittings. And then this is where the bolts go here. So you take the seat off by lifting slightly at the back and sliding backwards. You can see the two little locator legs that are smashed because my dealer didn't engage them properly, and then when the next person sat on the bike, it bent those down, rendering them useless. So there you go. And then the locators, the fixators, are molded into the seat pan instead of extras like on the... So this should go on very easily. Line those little puppies up. There you go. And then remember the little smooth nose there. There we go. So don't tighten it up all the way at first. Get them both started before you tighten either side up completely. Nice and snug. Then you put the grab handles back on. And your seat swap is all done.
That's the problem with getting something so good. You expect to keep that for you.
Yeah.
Here to hit a low bar.
They give you this relief valve for your perennial nerve. It's supposed to aid your junk. It's got a nice faux carbon look on it. Little subtle Saddleman logo. Nice stitching. Comes all the way down instead of this stock seat follows this contour, but this comes all the way down. Looks nice. I hope it feels nice too.
But if not, you'll be back in 10 minutes.
Well, I got to get all the way home on it.